Good morning, sir. Myself, B. Balaji. I am from Triple A branch. Today's my topic is Introduction to Power Plants. First of all, what is power plant? A power station also refers to as a power plant and sometimes generating station or generating plant is an industrial facility for the generation of electric power. Power stations are generally connected to an electrical and there are some types of power plants for energy generation. First of all, nuclear power plant, hydroelectric power plant, coal fired power plant, diesel fired power plant, geothermal power plant, and solar power plants. And this is some one of coal power plant. And first of all, coming to nuclear power plant, like it is also called as nuclear reactor. A nuclear reactor is a device to initiate and control a sustained nuclear chain reaction. The most common use of nuclear reactor is for the generation of electrical energy and for the propulsion of ships. The nuclear reactor is the heart of the plant. And coming to hydroelectricity, it is called as hydroelectrical power plant. The production of electrical power through the use of gravitational force of falling or flowing water. It is the most widely used form of renewable energy, and this is the renewable energy source we can use unlimitedly. And in hydropower plants, the water is utilized to move the turbines, which in turn run the electric generators. The potential energy of the water stored in the dam get converted into the kinetic energy of the moving water in the penstock, and this kinetic energy get converted into the electric energy with the help of turbine and generator combination. How hydropower works? Hydroelectric power comes from the water at work, water in motion. It can be seen as a form of solar energy, and the sun powers the hydraulic cycle which gives the earth its water. Water from rain and melting snow eventually reaches pond, lakes, reservoirs, or oceans where evaporation is constantly occurring. In India, 65% of total power is generated by the thermal power stations like Yamuna Nagar Thermal Power Project, that is DCRTP, or Dean Bahadur Choturam Thermal Plant, is a project of Haryana Power Generation Corporation Limited. It is situated at village Kalanur in Yamuna Nagar. It is totally capacity of 600 megawatts as at present, with two units working with capacity having two units of 2 into 2 300 megawatts equals to. And coming to the geo power plant, here this is a diagram of the geo power plant, and the geothermal electricity is generated from geothermal energy. Technologies in uses include dry steam power plants, flash steam power plants, and binary cycle power plants. And this is a sketch of thermal power plants. First here coal storage, coal handling plants, and it goes to boilers, and this hot air will goes to air pressure heater, and this pressure will goes to near turbines, valves turbines, and when the turbine was rotated, the alternate generator was tries to make power like this. What is solar energy? Means energy is the ability to do work, and solar is a Latin word for the sun. So we can define solar energy as energy obtained from the sun. Nuclear fission reaction taking place in the sun give rise to electromagnetic radiation. 45% of these radiations are absorbed by Earth. On the one of the basic use of solar energy is photosynthesis. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harassed using a range of ever evolving technologies such as solar heating, photovoltaic, solar thermal energy, solar architecture, molten salt power plants, and artificial photosynthesis. This is the solar and this is the how solar energy works. And this is about the power plants and types of power plants. Thank you very much, sir.